Buckle up for adventure, friends. Today's reading pick is Wake Up Fire Truck, created by Stephen and Denise Plum. And if you enjoyed today's reading, please make sure you like, follow, and visit us at perfectlyplumpublishing.com for more stories and fun. Wake up, fire truck, time to go and play. Phones will ring, alarms will ding. Now we save the day. Before you go, you have to know, always put on your gear. Slide down the pole. Come on, let's roll. Get in the truck, let's steer. You drive around this great big town to help all those in need. Oh no, look up! A cat is stuck at the top of a tree. The cat is high up in the sky, but that won't even matter. You stand on top, the tippy top of your sturdy fire truck ladder. The cat is free from on top of the tree. Seeing joy on its face, you made the world a better place. Hip hip hooray, you saved the day. Pack up your gear, get in and steer. It's been a long day of play. Now time for bed. You rest your head, for tomorrow is a brand new day. This story is part of the Wake Up book series Core 4 collection, which includes Wake Up Fire Truck, Wake Up Police Truck, Wake Up Delivery Truck, and Wake Up Garbage Truck, all available on Amazon today. Until next time, good night.